Okay, here we go. Now let's hope I don't drop this into the fire. Potatoes on first, because they're going to take a little while. Don't set on fire. How did I know that was going to happen? Oops. Time to shut. Okay, the special effects are off now. And you missed the flame out. But we'll keep moving on. Now that I have my water. And it's going to do this again, you know. Oh. Now that was supposed to be skin side down. Oh well. Have a nice day. Now, I have the 4 breasts in, and I'm going to let it go down, and then I'll add the sausages later. Let's see how much fire I get into today. About ready to flip the chicken. Looks really nice. A little color. A little caramelization. Oh, more fire. We're going to let it sit there for just a little bit, not much, because it wants to catch fire. And then we'll move it over to the cool side of the grill. And very shortly after that, we'll bring the sausages out. Time to go back in. Obviously, I don't have enough hands. And be careful. This may fire up. And by the way, this is Fireman's chicken, which is what I grew up on. Cider vinegar, a little oil, a little egg, a lot of spices, but mostly it's the vinegar that does this. And if you let it set and marinate, it's wonderful. It's tangy. It's almost blackened. But if you don't burn it completely, it's very juicy and very, very good. Very soon I'll get the sausages on the grill, and they won't take very long. Right now I'm just waiting a little time. A friend advised me that now we're under a tornado watch, which seems that it very well could be something bad because it's unusual. Granted, we get tornado watches and things, but today we've spent under rain almost all day, and it's been dark, dark, dark. And finally it cleared and moved out. The sun's come out and gotten very, very bright. As you can see, everything's wet, everything's steamy, and of course they're going to build again. The storms will. A kitten, another one. But we're going to see. I'm going to get ready to get the sausages on the grill, get them done, get everybody fed, and I'll be watching online. And more time to move the sausages aside. They're really already done. We had a little parboil going on, and I moved them to the cool side of the grill. They've got a nice look to them. And I'm going to flip these over one more time and baste them in the Fireman sauce. And luckily I still have a little skin on them. potatoes are cooking up. And I'm still a little worried about the weather. But we'll either have severe weather or we won't. And it won't come for another few hours. And at least I can get a very good weekend meal in for Father's Day. And I've got my cheapy little $1.99 Red Bowl and $2.99 plastic platter to serve it all up in. And you didn't see the fire that I set because the little incredible water bottle put it out. And once it's all plated, you'll see it. Y'all have a good day. Sausages are in. Potatoes are done. 2 of the breasts disappeared. More being done. They took it and they sliced it and they're eating it. Have a good dinner.